B&B Show.
Today's episode is about handy dandy how-tos.
With me and you.
I'm Brittany.
And I'm Brandy, and today we're going to show you how to reset your GFI outlets and breaker box.
Come on, let's go take a look. This is your GFI outlet. It looks a little bit different than a regular electrical outlet because it has a reset button. So if you're ever having any issues in your bathroom or kitchen area, like your lights going out, or maybe your hairdryer is not working, just click reset and you'll probably be good to go.
So if your GFI outlet doesn't work and your reset button hasn't kicked in, this is your breaker box. Typically it's labeled on the inside of the door so that you know what breaker coordinates with what number. Find your issue, maybe it's your lights, flip your breaker, and your power should be restored. That's it for today's episode.
Tune in next time. Bye.